We all like using Linux, right? And we have so many distributions to choose from, and there are some times when we need to know about these distributions that we are using. For example, you may want to know what kind of theme or desktop environment you are using, or the version that you are using, or the code name of your distribution. So there are many different things that you may want to know about your current distribution. So for that, in this video I'm going to show you 7 different ways to know about your Linux distribution. So let's get started. So here's the terminal, and the very first command that I'm going to show you is uname, that's A. If you type this command, it will give you information regarding the distribution, that is Ubuntu in my case, the kernel version, the username, the architecture. So this is one of 7 commands. Next we have lsb_release and again -a as a parameter. This will provide you only distro specific details like its name, version and code name. If you want to know the complete name or a little bit more information about your distribution, there is another command that is Hostname Ctl. So if you type, and this will give you some more information about your computer or the Linux distribution that you're using. Every distribution has a release file that is inside the etc folder where all the configuration files resides, right? So if we see through file, that is cat is for seeing into a file, right? You can display content of the file using this command. I will cd to etc, and then there is a file by the name os release, and if I hit enter, this will output a little bit more information about the distro. For example, complete name is Disco Dingo, and it is Ubuntu of course, and it is based on Debian, and it also shows me some links. For example, this is the official URL, and this is help URL where you can get the support, you can report bug at the launchpad. So using these commands you can get the basic information about your distro. There are some utilities as well. For example, there is a application known as Screenfetch. So if you type Screenfetch and hit enter, this will output a little bit more information in a very fancy way. For example, we have an ASCII logo of the distribution, and these are details. It also shows some hardware related information, the font, the icon theme, GTK theme, window manager theme, that is cell theme basically, and the desktop environment that I have, the screen resolution, and these all details, right? There is a similar application as well, and it is new fetch. So let me clear the terminal using Ctrl L, and if I type new fetch, hit enter, and it will show me similar information as it was with Screenfetch. These are the ways using the terminal, but you can also use your settings. For example, if I go into settings, then here, so these are the settings, and if I go into details, then about, and I can see the information about the system. So every distribution comes with a settings application. You can search in the menu, hit the menu, type setting, and it will show the application name. So this way you can get the information about your Linux distribution. So that's all in this video. I hope you find it informative. If you did, then hit the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and keep enjoying Linux.